In this video, we understand the concept of derivative of these two functions, cos x की power 3 and cos cube x. There is two different functions which looks like similar, little bit, but not similar. These are totally different. When we take derivative of these functions, its answer of these functions are totally different. Here, cube is on angle, only on angle, not on cos. Here is cube जो पावर 3 है वो टोटल फंक्शन पे है, cos पे है. We can write it as cos x की पावर 3. Also write it as means ये दोनों पे है, cos पे भी and x पे भी, whole power है, ठीक है, which can be written as this. Both are equal. These two functions are equal, but cos x cube and cos power 3x are two different. So cos x3 and cos cube x. Now let's see their derivatives. Here firstly we apply on derivative cos. First cos, then x cube. Okay, let's we apply the derivative of cos x3. Derivative of cos x, we know that derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. We know very common formula. Here we put this formula. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. But here we have the angle cube, so this becomes cube. We write it here cube. If you write here only x, then it is totally wrong. This is the common mistake, so never do this mistake. एंगल जो हमारे पास फंक्शन का है वही एंगल हमने डेरिवेटिव लेते हुए लिखना है. फॉर्मूला में हम उसको याद किया होता है कि वो x है तो x है. हेयर x क्यूब, सो x क्यूब. नेक्स्ट डेरिवेटिव ऑफ, नेवर फॉरगेट दिस पार्ट, x क्यूब जो कि इंटरनल एंगल है. हेयर डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x क्यूब, अप्लाई पावर रूल, 3x 3 minus 1, put brackets, minus sin x cube, and this becomes 3x2. Always put brackets because x cube can never be multiplied with this 3x square. This is a common mistake which can never do, that x cube is multiplied with 3x square. This can never be multiplied. Always put bracket and then take out from sin x cube. This becomes the derivative of cos x. Now we see its derivative. Firstly we apply on power rule. Firstly we apply power 3, then we apply on cos x, and then also its derivative angle. Okay, firstly power rule, 3 cos x and power में से 1 minus, this apply power rule, and then derivative of this cos x, and 3 cos x की पावर 2 बन जाएगा. इसको होल ब्रैकेट में लिख लेंगे, यहाँ पे लिख लेंगे because both are same. Derivative of cos x, we know that minus sin x, and then we also apply here derivative angle, because if angle is different from x like this, तो different जो है वो angle हो जाता है, 3 derivative हो जाता है different. This becomes minus sin x. Always put brackets, and this becomes 1, because this sin x can never be multiplied with this angle of cos square. This is common mistake which occur. So now little bit simplification, minus 3 cos square x into sin x. This is the derivative of this function. These are totally different, so never apply take the same. कभी भी इन डेरिवेटिव्स को सेम नहीं समझें.